Hey you guys, it's your girl Whitney Nicole coming at you today with a tutorial really quick on how I do my makeup using Luxur Lash by MinxGirlsBoutique. Let's get started. You see me shaking that watch, that comes from MinxGirlsBoutique.com. And you can see that I use tape, and that's just used to help do my eyeshadow. Keep everything in line. Then I'm using a regular brown pencil for my eyebrows. You see me filling my eyebrows in. I go under and then over and then down on the side. Kind of blend in and shade a little bit. Not too dark in the front, but slowly fade out darker to the edge. Using my LA Pro Girl concealer. I actually use this as a eyeshadow base and to line my eyebrows up and clean everything up and make everything look neat. I'm just using a brush to kind of smooth things through. Using a little spoolie just to kind of brush my eyebrows back in place. So there you see me applying the concealer on my eyes. Using my palette by LORAC. Starting off with that shade there. And just kind of blend to the crease there. Kind of up out of the crease. Using my MAC Cosmetics palette as well. Then I'm using the LORAC palette again. I'm using that other shade there to kind of pop my lid. And then I go in with my Peach palette by Too Faced and I use it in the corners of my eyes. I don't have everything listed as how I, put everything and where I went. And there goes my STILA. And it's like my eyeshadow glitter right there. Smoothing. Look how pretty that is. Whoop. And then they're actually on top of the lid on the color that I use. It helps it makes it pop. It makes it kind of stand out more by laying a base eyeshadow down first. And make sure I go all the way out to the corner there. Fan it, let it dry, because it is glitter. I went back in with my Peach palette by Too Faced. Kind of went above the eyeshadow there. Anastasia Beverly Hills AMREZY Highlight. Ooh, glow. I put a little glow up there above my eye under my eyebrows. And I was going to use a dark eyeshadow to kind of line my eyelids, but I changed my mind. Didn't look right. Excuse my tongue sticking out. I don't know why I'm doing that. So to clean that up kind of where I messed up and I kind of want to start over, I added some more of that glitter eyeshadow from STILA on top of my eye. And then I'm using a liquid eyeliner pretty much to kind of even that out. So I pull the tape off now. And now I'm just kind of using my pencil to kind of line up and using my LA Girls concealer to kind of clean up the mess that I made. Now I'm using my liquid eyeliner, just a basic liquid eyeliner. I think it's Wet n Wild that I got from Dollar General. Going back in using that shade in the Too Faced Peachy palette in the corners of my eyes. Now I'm putting that tape right there to kind of make sure I don't make a mess under my eye, because for some reason, when you have older eyes, it makes a mess below. And then I did take some of that STILA again, and I use it on the lower lid as well, just in the corner though. Alright, so now I'm using my Too Faced foundation. I kind of use my finger to kind of pat things in because I love this foundation. It goes in smooth and I kind of get it in the crease of my nose there, covering up any pores. Then I go on with some of my Fenty. And I kind of pat, because I have to mix stuff in my skin for some reason just to kind of even it out. And there used to be blending in a way, blend, blend, blend. I had a beauty blender, but I lost it. I don't know where I did with it. And I kind of go in and smooth everything out. See, adding a little more. So I always add a little bit at a time. I don't add everything like heavy at first, because I add here and there, because if you add too much and you can't start over, it looks kind of funny. Then using my LA Girls concealer to highlight around under my eyes, my forehead, and then I'm going with the Fenty Truffle for my contour on my cheeks. I usually use it on the temples of my forehead area there, just so I don't look kind of too pale. Then you can see I've taken my foundation and I'm lining up my cheekbones where I put that truffle. Blend it away. And then kind of contour my nose. I have a bigger nose, so I just kind of contour just a little top part of it, just a little bit. And then I'm using the Revolutions baking powder. Kind of putting that powder in. Patting it away, patting it away. It kind of helps seal the concealer. Then I'm using that Fenty Killawatt highlighter, and I use it on the tip of my nose to kind of give my nose that glow, and on the bridge of my nose a little bit there. Then of course we gotta use the Trophy Wife. Trophy. Look at that glitter. Back to AMREZY Highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then I'm using the NYX Toast lip liner on my lips, and I actually overline my lips to make my lips look a little bigger. And I layer after that with the MILAN from NYX Matte Cream Lipstick. Kind of going in now with the AMREZY, kind of highlighting my forehead, cheekbones. And that right there, I'm using another STILA matte lipstick on top of my lips. And then I'm using a Kiss Collection white basic eyeliner for the lower lid. And this now I'm using the Luxur Lash in style Wit Wit by MinxGirlsBoutique.com, 100% Mink 3D lashes, cruelty free. Gotta make sure they're on there. You know how those lashes be though. I love those lashes. They gave me such a beautiful, it made my eyes just pop. Kind of go under a little bit with my mascara, going and touching even eyeshadow that I feel like needs to be touched up. And there you have a close-up. My skin's not perfect underneath, but look at those lashes and that eyeshadow pop. Again, the lashes are from MinxGirlsBoutique called Luxur Lash in the style Wit Wit. Thanks for tuning in. Check us out at MinxGirlsBoutique.com. That's MinxGirlsBoutique.com.